just in time. I'm Mr. Whiskerwood, and this story has been waiting for you.
Today I will read you a story about the little chef. Leo loved the sound of sizzling butter in the kitchen. Every morning, he ran to smell the fresh bread his mother baked. He wore a tiny apron that almost touched the floor. Leo mixed flour too fast one day and covered himself in white powder. His little sister laughed so hard she nearly dropped her juice. Leo learned that cooking slowly can make less mess. One afternoon, he tried making vegetable soup for his grandfather. He chopped the carrots carefully while humming a happy song. But he accidentally added too much salt to the soup. Leo felt sad and thought he ruined everything. Grandfather smiled and said, "Every great cook makes mistakes." Together, they added potatoes and water to fix the salty soup. Soon, the kitchen smelled warm and delicious again. Leo proudly served the soup with fresh bread on the side. His family clapped and asked for a second bowl. That night, Leo wrote his first recipe in a tiny notebook. He called it Grandpa's Happy Soup. Leo began trying new recipes every weekend. With each mistake, he became a little better and a little braver. So, little fellows, what do we learn from Leo today? Mistakes are not failures. They help us learn, improve, and create something wonderful.
See you next week.